80 animals.
Giraffe.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you doing today? It's good to see you again. Are you ready to learn about giraffes? This is a giraffe. It has a very long neck. We will begin by learning some words using pictures.
Attack. If you attack someone, you try to hurt them. In the picture, the boys attack each other. They may get hurt. Unique. If something is unique, it is the only one of its kind. It's different from the rest. In the picture, the dog is unique because the others are people. Pattern. A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes. The picture shows a pattern of red, blue, and green circles.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Unique. Pattern. Attack.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
What is the tallest animal on Earth? It's the giraffe. It has the longest neck and legs among all animals. The giraffe in the picture eats leaves off the tree. Because of its height, it can eat the leaves. Because of its height, it could be seen by many wild animals. However, wild animals don't attack it. They are afraid of the giraffe's strong legs. Giraffes have spots on their skin. Each giraffe has its own unique spot pattern. The spots become darker as the giraffe gets older. Do you know where a giraffe lives? It lives in Africa.
Why are wild animals afraid of giraffes? Giraffes have a long neck. Giraffes have strong legs. What is true about a giraffe's spots? They are on its skin. Young giraffes have darker spots than old giraffes. What is true about giraffes. They are the tallest animals on Earth. All giraffes have the same spot pattern.
How was the lesson? Did you enjoy it? That's nice. This is the end of our class today. Goodbye.